Well, when we look at our first year on the system, basically our sales, because we could track product better, we could track inventory better, we could track sales better, we saw an increase in sales of about 30% in the first year, which helped us understand that we probably had some inventory issues prior to that. So when you look at that and being able to return the profits from those products that we sold and could account for to the bottom line, then that's certainly a plus for us.
I think some of the return that is tangible is the speed in which Produce Pro operates. Order entry is faster. All the paperwork flow is faster. The warehouse gets information faster. That's tangible. The intangible part is that we're better at our job now. Our salesmen know their job better. Those are hard things to quantitate, but those are real.
Yes, we've definitely seen an ROI since we switched to Produce Pro. The entire system, has provided benefits. I'd say we probably saw the biggest paybacks from e-commerce. That drastically cut down on manual order entry. Definitely on the warehouse management side, the ROI there has been much more than we expected. Just giving us the traceability, reducing pick errors, and just really giving us a lot more visibility in the warehouse. Also on the sales analysis side, just the information that's in the system now and all the data we can easily get to has really helped us make better business decisions, really maximize our profits.
In terms of ROI, if you can put it this way, the paperwork has gone down tremendously. We don't have paperwork floating around the warehouse. It doesn't get lost. Our shrinkage, product shrinkage, that has gone down tremendously. So order efficiency as far as receiving, picking, staging, loading, and shipping, that has gone up. As far as inventories, it's really neat because it's all real time.
We've seen several efficiencies with the introduction of WMS. The number one efficiency is accuracy of inventory and having real-time data available to us. I would say number two would be being able to keep up with basically our order pullers and our put-away clerks to determine what their level of productivity is. It's allowed us to, through attrition, eliminate some positions because the workflow is much more efficient. And there are some things that were hidden benefits that we thought a little bit about, but we didn't really think long-term about. One is wear and tear on printers, paper usage, and toner supplies. It's a tremendous savings for us. For our first year of being on WMS, it was in excess of $40,000 just in that one particular area.
With the system getting a return on our investment, I would say at the beginning it took a little while, but once everybody bought into the system and they were using it, all the buyers are using all the buying models, the salesmen are using it, the inventory system, the accounting system, everything, it happened, I would say, within the first 6 to 12 months of getting the system put in.
One of our biggest return on investments with Produce Pro has been with the e-commerce and EDI systems. The fact that we're doing about 65% of our lines keyed are coming through e-commerce or EDI at this point, which reduces the customer service burden, and it also reduces the mistakes from listening to phone calls and keying an order and miscommunication between customers and customer service.
You can look at things like our capability of reducing shrink, our improved capability for inventory control, our ability to reach customers through e-commerce. There are growth opportunities that we've been able to utilize that definitely keep us coming back to invest in Produce Pro.
Produce Pro has paid for itself many times over. The investment that we make in the Produce Pro cannot be justified in a dollar amount. What it has done for us and the abilities that it has given us, whether it be EDI transmission or email capabilities, faxing, there are so many systems out there today that you can't do all this stuff from, all in one solution. There's so many capabilities that it's endless. It's endless to what you got for your money. So along the lines of paying for itself, it paid for itself in probably half of what we got.